Akorino fashion model Carey Priscilla, who is also a very well-known makeup artist here in the country, having worked with big names such as Nadia Mukami and Avril Kenya, just to mention a few. And we've also seen her being hosted on our TV screens on Kameme TV. Na oho, she's also a well-known YouTuber alongside her boyfriend Benito Murio. Kurama kurehagira couple vlogs, and she also does a bit of makeup vlogs. Nĩarakorirwo agĩtigwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno thutha wake gũthũkangĩrio studio yake ya wĩra, na agĩtarĩria augĩte atĩ she had just stepped out to do some field work, na agĩcoka nĩguo arakorire studio yake ĩthũkangĩtio. As you can see here, she even shared these photos here, and this is what was left of her studio. Everything was torn apart, even the furniture, everything was ruined, and she took to her Instagram to share the sad news. Aihũrĩtwo nĩ ruo rũingĩ mũno na maithori. It is sad, and she wrote this saying, "It has been a very challenging week for me, but this," with crying emojis. She says the week in overall had been tough for her, but this incident just made it all worse for her. Na Carey B mena Biti wa maitha nĩ mareyumĩririe kũmũmĩrĩria. Carey B wrote, "Gosh, a girl can't prosper in peace. Pole sana namesake." Na Biti wa maitha also wrote, "Pole my darling." Carey Priscilla also added that she does not know who was behind it, but it must have been someone who knew well that she was not in the studio and that she was out, and that is how they managed to sneak in and destroy everything. But all in all, she is happy, that she's glad that no one was hurt. She was not hurt, and also none of her staff was injured, only the studio was destroyed.
I don't know why this is happening to me. Like, I was on location, then when I came back, this is what I found my studio looking like.
And be sure to subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.